Mwanjumu ligerelia Vincent Ensa Eyemo yabono margobenga kirana ngo kwaligania semesa yamangana maya inyale go komanya gati yale twabere to kwaliganiria kurwa semambi yalenge ntambe weka chinse kigabono chia bono marago bali tukaligalia Jumapili saliki 15 na ibere homoti nyokane omwaka bwikiri bubere na 2022 na mange abereka gokolekana abayibuli nigo bose niga bali mu begiskuru bono bakurero no mwaziri wekisemi Professor George Magoa unachiskuru chiregurwe mbaba sogotoma abana kasekerenga une serikali ya bwatokere shilingi bilioni 19 agocha chiskuru cyo boroso elikana kina abana mbachi konyara kogendera na masomo nabo igasensemo ya siasa ime ya migori na manga kolekana isiko yorogongoro ito ruagusi ayu amo nenda mange akwarika ninkumanya senchire yobo ikirano olitoko bwatera nere kurasumuno obuyimanyeryo igakoro kwa Joshua Auta na nchiretera nenkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha. Maiga yeserikali goto yabuna abana mbachikwana chiskuru bunero beri ni gobona yabwatokere shilingi bilioni 19 ichi kogenda gocha iskuru chiyo boroso cha serikali na boigo chiri cha secondary anena sawa na bali bakurunka chigo chikobakonya sumuru boliyo boko bakane skuru face gati ye bintu binde omwaziri bwesemi Professor George Magoa ni garogo kurogo tindi gocha saba ali mabane bechi skuru mbaba seko batomanka bana asekerenga una chibesa chigo tumia se skuru chiabulire nigo atebiro nago ikirito kule Jumaine nigo chiskuru kiranyore kibese cyo ase kibengi cyabo nigo cinga kiye kero murobelyo boko bayira abane skuru anene class kenda ko se form 1 again reten nigo Magoa atebiruna wanonde bwensi okorunka nande ocholere skuru yale boiga okuruka akorobotu go cyase wizara yichisemi asense makurwa iligatambo kiro kinyare ko irubwango nigo cinga kiye cyatebiruna abana mbachikonyera chiskuru ane bali bakuruka chiskuru kirange na sobo asenchira yo kwango ya amasomo Magoa boigo niga menzeka gote abuna omuro osemero billions yo kwegole skuru nigebekire na nigo chigotigara buna ya robeli yabo litangani.
Children who may have inadvertently been posted to far day schools, I think that would have been a mistake because we made sure that that was not done. If that has been done, I'm going to direct that they report to the nearest education agents in their area so that action can be taken. Because like I said, all children must be treated equally. Everybody wants to go to the same school. Can you imagine if the 118,000 who chose here reported here? Well, out of the 19 billion, 2-point-something billion is going to free primary school. 16.9 billion or so are going to day secondary school, which means every school will have money before the school. The money will hit the banks on Tuesday. That's all more than a week before the schools open. So nobody should send a child away that they have no money to run the schools. That will be criminal.
Nago tigana na mangane chisemi tombole kiramangana siasa ganda tokolekana ime yense to ya Kenya omure weke mageo diemrera morodinga nigata birabigete beli yoko ne kibuna ngo cyale konya abantu asobo choli bole bosyo maiga yogo chorwa achikoba omurai wense ekaro chikura kira siasa chikura kira kolekane omutinyo gatano gatatu mwako yegabo chiri bubere na 2022 era nigata birubuneganga ya yenene no bujikoene kibuna ngo nyarale gukini uchumi yense na boigense mo yobo chenu na chikoene kingo sirale nseme yuri kunyara konyoro bokorri bwango asomuro belibo UHC na boigo nigo atebiruna baliya batali kwenyara ne nabasaye na ligirina kibaranyare bago konye kasoko nyolemeremo asense ya Kenya ayoka genretegesa kukyaba Masai nigo batebiruna yabago chikubwatsalira mu rodinga asobo cholyo bonene buli bosyo.
Sisi kama Wamasai tumesema wote ni Azimio na wote tutachagua Raila. Na hapo niwaambie kitu kimoja na msikie hii na ni kitu ya mwisho mimi nasema. After this election, hii watu wengine asijui wanaitwa kwisha, Kenya kwisha, mimi nakwambia watafilisika kabisa.
Na umunjiriria Jimmy Wanjigi uyokuriye kirogo kyobrai wense weterase kiama gya Safina nigatebire buna nigobero beretibo ikiranwa sobo choriyo bonene bole busio nigochinga kyecherokane komomochi umurai wense muskuru Kenyatta anenaso wesona na siasa na senzemo iyazimio nigo Jimmy atebire buna gwikiraboniga nero ore umurai wabanto asense ya Kenya gose People's President asekerengani gagochukirania amange keraraso asoborai nigabo Murai Vincent Onyancha Kenyatta wetigia amangana siasa anekwebwatane ya mabiage siasa kerekelio bochori urobirie.
Mimi ndio nilichukua nafasi ya Raila Amolo Odinga. In 2017 tulimuita the People's President. Akaenda Harambee House kusalimiana na wengine. Akawachia hiyo nafasi wazi. Akawachia hiyo nafasi wazi. Mukiniona hapa, mimi ndio nasema mimi ndio rais wa wananchi direct. Ndio. Juzi muliona wazi agreement ya Azimio. Hiyo agreement ya Azimio Party inaonyesha Rais Uhuru Kenyatta ndio mkubwa wa huo mlengo wa Azimio Party. Rais Uhuru Kenyatta ambao kisheria kikatiba lazima astaafu August 9th mwaka huu. Lakini inaonekana kama zile nchi za nje kama China Communist Party, hii ni mwenendo ya kurudisha Kenya iwe kama communist nation. Rais anajaribu kinyume cha sheria, kinyume cha katiba ya Kenya kuendelea kuwa rais akikaa nyuma, lakini inaonekana chama ndio itakuwa inatawala.
Na ekera atigarete amatukemie muna 13 goja sobo chorio bonne bogo chigokolekana mutinyo gatana gatatu mwako yegabo chiri bubere na meronge bere nebere ekero kyobure wense ni akagendete ko musabaro nere ao oyobwango igwesokia gochikorigie ekero kyobure wense no omwaposo Faith Wairimo oyotebere bunani giariganeti asogo chikorigie ekero kyobure wense buna independent candidate niga atebere buna erebuno murai na mo Kristo na chikonekia ngochiare gokinia uchumi yense aiseko walibaga ase serikali negochinga kechi atebire buna na chikoligereria amangana ya masomo nabo igo abana bali barase university mbachikonyora chibesa ananase chilon yimanyikate buna elibo likonyara gosira masomo gati ya yandamange.
We'll continue to think about ways in which we can buffer our business people to ensure that our businesses do not close because of pandemics or because of harsh economic times. And thinking about our students in the university, we will work towards increasing the help loans that they receive to make sure that any Kenyan who qualifies to go to a Kenyan university does so. We will also create the 48th county where Kenyans in diaspora can vote not only for the presidents, but for members of parliament that represent the 48th county.
Na kumurekera mangana boigo harengete siasa omubunge okisahuni Alimbogo ni gatebire nero bwate tiketi ya Wiper aso koligie kero kyobo government ya county ya Mombasa ni ngana ya retro kongusana nogo tinde se county ya Mombasa maigai ya omubungo yo koralibuna na bwate tiketi ya Wiper nigo ayago chekero kelyo yo kabiro mubunge oso yo kabiro mo governor we county ya Nairobi Mike Mbuvi Songo era ligeti kero kyobo governor ase county ya Mombasa weterase kiamegi kya Wiper ni goko musana ko gandrete ko eneki wasensemeyo maiga yumbungo yukoralibuna nero bwate etiketi ya Wiper eyo etaraenanwa.
Mimi nataka nichukue fursa hii kumshukuru party leader wetu Kalonzo Musyoka. Tulikuwa na yeye katika uwanja wa Bomas of Kenya na tulikuwa na hawa aspirants wote ambao nimeandamana nao siku ya leo, na yeye mwenyewe akanikabidhi interim certificate mbele ya media zote, mbele ya wakazi wote. Tulikuwa pale na aspirants zaidi ya 700 na yeye mwenyewe kwa mkono wake akanikabidhi ticket kama candidate wa Wiper katika gatuzi la Mombasa unopposed. Kwa hivyo hiyo position haijabadilika. mpaka siku ya leo kuwa mimi ndo nilipatiwa interim certificate na tukiwa na huyo Sonko katika Bomas of Kenya. Na kama kungekuwa na mpinzani au yeye angekuwa ni mpinzani wangu, nisingepatiwa interim certificate katika Bomas of Kenya. Haya tunayoyasikia tuyachukulie kama propaganda, kama rumors.
Na boigo chinga kiche kiamwa kia waipani gogia sokiri na gukwanengane yu ase gia tutera mangana ya alimbogo na gote yabuna gwikira boniga onde tayo irwe tiketi ya waipa kolengana ne kiamwa kia waipani go batebire buna baruanire bagane tiketi ni go bale babere oyoro mubungo kisauni alimbogo na begono yokabiro mu governor we county ya Nairobi Mike Mbovi Songo ni go batebire buna igo bagende tokobeka chinkwana na koligereria ningo go chikowe tiketi yu gwikira boniga tararwegwa ni go batebire buna chiro nisa tochigo chikoligereria ningora we tiketi yo gati ya omubungo kisauni alimbogo na boigo no yokoliye karokyo wa governor county ya Mombasa boigo kabiro mu governor we county ya Nairobi Mike Mbovi Songo.
As Wiper Party aspirants, we wish to state that we have confidence in our party leadership, which has very well laid down structures up to the ward levels and working county caucuses, with Mombasa caucus chaired by Sheikh Twa. There has been utterances out there disregarding our Mombasa leadership. As aspirants, we wish to confirm to the public that our Mombasa Wiper leadership represents and speaks for the party. They are the only ones mandated to give party positions at all times and not an aspirant. As we speak today, we are aware as aspirants that at the gubernatorial level we have 2 candidates for that position. And the party therein will give us direction on how the matter will be settled. And we have 3 ways of settling issues: consensus, or the ballot, or a survey system which shows who is popular.
Kauli yetu ya Wiper ni ile ile. Msimamo wa Mombasa ndio msimamo ule ambao uko Nairobi. Msimamo wa Wiper ya Mombasa ndio msimamo wa Wiper ambao iko Nairobi. Msimamo wa chairman ambaye yuko Mombasa ndio msimamo wa party leader na chairman ambaye yuko Nairobi. Chama cha Wiper Mombasa, kama vile tunasema, tuna 2 candidate ama 2 aspirant upande wa ugavana, na still wao bado ni aspirant. Sonko ni aspirant, Mheshimiwa Alimbogo ni aspirant, na hapa pia tuna ma-aspirant. So mtu akijitokeza akisema amepewa direct ticket kwa chama haswa kwa Mombasa, atakuwa anazungumza jambo la urongo, si ukweli.
Na bwego gotikera kumulikira mangana arengete siasa mulikyo botambaze wizara y'uburendi umanyakanite buna karanja kibichu ni gabuligwe tabase wesona ni na mangana siasa anene ase county ya Kirinyaga elikoligerere ni ngogo chikoegwa ochikoegwa kopoko anene rukia ibandera ya Jubilee elikoligie karokyo bo governor se county ya Kirinyaga ni gochinga kyochiriberari tindigendete koeneki wase county yo gati yo mokonyo mo governor cross county ya Kirinyaga Peter Ndambire na boigono mo senator we county yu Charles Kibiru obonsi baganite ticket ya Jubilee elikoligie karokyo bo governor ase county yu ya Kirinyaga.
Wacha mambo ya wanasiasa ifanywe na wanasiasa. Watu wa civil service waachane na kazi ya siasa, manake ile confusion wanaleta kwa ground ndio inafanya watu wahame. Kama saa hizi niko na wafuasi karibu 100 wenye wamesema wanakuja independent. Hiyo ni ishara kwamba watu hawajatosheka na ile process imefanywa ya consensus, na hiyo consensus kusema ukweli ni watu wanakaa watu kidogo wachache wanakuja na uamuzi yenye sio halali.
Mwea is where the economy of Kirinyaga is. I believe Mwea should get this position from gubernatorial through Jubilee ticket. This is part of negotiations. I am not beating my chest because I come from Mwea, but I would want also people from the other side to know that we cannot get all the leading positions just from one larger deer.
Na umubunge umokweni Dani Manzu ni gobona gadiri omubwa Azimio One Kenya komochoro muraiwe kiama kya Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka eligochi yakobwatera na aso omubwa Azimio aso bochori obonebole bosyo kolengana Dani Manzu ni gaganite Kalonzo Musyoka ogochoro buni running mate ya Raila Amolo Odinga aso bochori bogochi okoleka no mutinyo gatano na gatato Manzu ni gatebire buna onya omubwa Azimio One Kenya mboli gochi komochora Kalonzo Musyoka buno omokonyo ya Raila Amolo Odinga igagochikobulia abantu anakurwa segesa ku kiabakamba otaka chikura sobo chori obonebole bosyo nigo chinga kichimanzo atebere buna omurobelio kiranetu ase kiama kya Wiper kubwatana na Azimio mbabegete nkwana chiseine anana abwata nibe kiama kya Wiper mbabwatana ntigu kiandege 10 aso kubekese eliko nyara koigwana na kibago chokolega siamo anana sobo chori bogo chokolekana umutinyo gatano na gatato.
We were to register the chairman of the council, who is the President of the Republic of Kenya, the presidential candidate and the deputy presidential candidate at the same time. But unfortunately that has not happened, and when we have seen the gazettement which came out, again it was done without proper consultation while setting up the NEC. The people nominated from Wiper Party were done without consensus or consent or consultation of our party leader. And therefore, moving forward, in future, any serious decisions should at least be with consultations from the domicile party.
Na maiga yobo chori bokewe megozi nominations weka magia ODM ukoera na okolekana chinsem niga bwatani abange barokane kwe murunga ni nchorobo chori bwa kolekana bwa nominations ase kia mege kia ODM imeye county ya Homa Bay anase ward ya West Game niga menyukura sensemeyo au boigobara bwatani bwa ODM barokane kwe murunga ni nchorobo chori bwa betebo kolekana ase ensemeyo nigo batebere buna mayegeji machine chigete cyaro kolyobo chori ya sensemeyo chinyenge chiyabo nigo stakolete miremo abwase bali bayigete bazite kibanyorire none boni go batebire buna bojori obumbokolira senchere y'ubwasyo no bwasyoko egento bono baganiri umuraiwe kyamage ODM Raila Amolo Odinga komukige tambukiro nakoyo nagotebuna obochori obu bochikoirolirwa se ensemeyo.
Therefore, what we are requesting the party is not too much, just a repeat of elections in West Game Ward, so that we can have confidence that the winner has the majority support of the people and therefore the party. So we are looking forward to having the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga get all over 10,000, close to 11,000 votes from West Game Ward under his docket. We don't want our people to remain back at home. Therefore, we request the National Election Board to come out and do a repeat before 22nd of April 2022.
I, Charles Owiti Awino, incumbent of West Game Ward, in company of Honorable Clifford Rabongo, Michael Ogalo, Omondi Ayeko, and Fred Awiti, do hereby categorically state that the election that was done in West Game Ward was not fair and just. In fact, it was a sham, because in some of the polling stations, the kids were missing. The kids was not there throughout, and some of the polling stations, the kids went off throughout. So what was done was not commensurate to what the expectation of the members.
Na umugumen repwe county ya Migori Pamero Dhiambo ni gamo chirekia magia ODM mwana senchira kia vire kurusti keti chiabwa sobo cha uliobo kegozi nominations wabe bako kolekana ayaniga go chama iga ya uchela yako kwa iwe ticket ya se county juo egento umugumen repwe yu ata virubu na hiko ya kore tuwa senchere etali ndonge na ndenchere etali yobwa siole nigaga ni bono bocho libo iga senseme yu konyara kuligerigwa na kuirolirwa ili konyara kwa abantu liba wakachikura na gochora ni ngobwento kuirukia bandera ya ODM ase county yo ya Migori anaso koligie kero kyobo governor asobo choryo bonene bulibosio.
That my party can call a committee and sit, and I'm told the party has decided, and nobody gives me even a minute to be heard. I am talking about my father, Raila Amolo Odinga with a lot of humility and respect. Yes. This is the man who fought that people should not be taken to detention without trial. Why am I being judged so harshly without hearing from my party? I'm yearning for the truth, nothing for the truth. If it is not conspiracy, then I want to be told the truth. Because the purported polling that they are saying, its results has not been revealed to us. Nobody has said when it was done and how. And I said yesterday, and I want to repeat, that any scientific research, because polling, according to what my party says, is supposed to be some scientific method. And that scientific method must have parameters. What exactly was being checked? What exactly did they not find right? And I would like to know why a candidate who has been practicing a serious forgery of me is impersonating me and talking on my behalf to the party. Why can I not be talked to?
Na chinga kichi amenyukurwase kaunti ya Migori bono nigo banyarire kuboria bali batayesti ticket ya senseme yokunyara kubwatana na kubwatereze osikubwatsia bali babete bako ticket ya ODM wa senseme yo nigo chinga kichi banyarire bakumuboria omugimendrebe kaunti ya Migori Pamero Dhiambo koneki nankubwatera nane na uchila yako asobo chodio bonne buli bosio elikonyara kusikia kaunti ya Migori bosio.
Sasa ni vile baba ndio mwenye boma. Kile baba ameamua, sisi wananchi hatuwezi kuwa na shida. Ni wakae wajadiliana, tukae na amani. Amani sana Zambia wenzetu ambao wamekosa kwa hii mwaka wa 2022 wataweza pata 27. Tukue na utulivu, tukue na amani, ishatendeka. Maji kimwagika hoa yazoleweki.
Yeah. Raila Amolo Odinga amefanya kazi vizuri, ametupeana tiketi wa mama wa baba pamoja. Ametusaidia hata vita ionekani hapa Migori.
Raundi hii watu hawajakuwa na vita kama election iliyopita. Unajua kama saa hizi watu wa ODM ni kama group. Unajua vitu za group, kama wewe hujakuwa mtu wa group yenu inapangwa kama watu wa group na party leader. Unajua vile party leader alikuwa amepanga raundi hii, alikuwa amepanga sababu vita hawataki vita.
Ninafurahia sana vilivyo watu wa ODM wanafanya nomination hapa Migori.
Hiyo kiongozi wetu Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga amefanya kitu vizuri. Hao wote waliokuwa wanatafuta ticket na hao sana sana kama mama wetu Pamela Odhiambo, tunasema akae mama mzuri, afatane tu, aunge tu Ochilo mkono na wafanye kazi pamoja. Najua venye Raila amefanya, anajua mama Pamela Odhiambo, na yeye atampatia mahali na aendelee kufanya kazi. Hata kama Raila sipomfanyia, Ochila yako hata muacha nyuma, watafanya pamoja na atakuwa tu mama kama mama wetu mwenye tulikuwa tunampenda.
Na umugavana we county ya Nandi Stephen Sang boniganyarira kuboria baribonsi oitabera na machibu maiga yobo chori go kolekana na maiga yobo chori wime asebya ma nominations wabere bo kolekana asichinse mu Sang ni gatabira buna sobo chori bonga buno bo ikabanyara goitabera na elikonyara kogendera na siasa asekerango kende nigo chinga kichi atabira buna sobo chori obone bogo chiko kolekana umutinyo gatano gatato abana siasa nabo iko bali bakoligiye birogo babatayari goitabera na asama chibora
IEBC. Stand as a Democrat, as an advocate, and as a responsible citizen. That when you go into an election, the outcomes are either a win or a lose. And that is understood by me. And therefore, in case there is a lose, I have no problem. In case I win, which is the most likely situation in this case, I will be able to accept the outcome of that election. What I want to urge my competitors is that let us all give that same commitment. But more importantly, let us allow the process to be free and fair, devoid of intimidation, bribery, and blackmail that we are currently witnessing from, a few characters who are already sensing defeat. So for me, as a Democrat, I am looking forward to the evening, but I can confirm to you, you guys, we will be in for a celebration.
Na ababwatani kianda au bono balekurwa ase kiama kia UDA sensemo ya Silibwete gotoka ase kaunti ya Bomet au banyara goti wesi kumaega yogota which ticket os nomination sekaro chia kolekante goetera ase kiama kia UDA nigubona abwatani abo ba UDA bachira hamwe na gote abuna nigo bagochigotene ni umonto mo oyomo ase baria babete bagochigosiko eri banyara gote na buna independent candidate oyo bagochiwakire koko asobochorio bonne bole bosio nigo batebere boneganga yabo no gochamu na kubwatana na koetio yo mobo achigote na sekero gensemeyo oyibago chigwakere chikura sobonge na koenakia oyo mobo onyoreri baga serikali erebosio.
Tumeamua wote tushikane mkono tuombe kura pamoja. Tuwakilishe watu, tuongee na watu wa watu, tushikane pamoja. Na tuombe kura pamoja kama waniachi. Wale wote walitupikia kura, msiwe na wasiwasi. Bado tutakuja kufanya kazi, tutashikana pamoja.
Monchumuligireria inyorabuna nigogendete gotengera Ndizi TV obwansubu mugusina bogotobwati awetera sensemo yemtandao ensemo ya Facebook na bogotobwati buna Ndizi TV News na boigensemeria YouTube na bogotobwati buna Ndizi TV News onyara konyora ayu amonenda mange ekera gwateka kuro chingongo chionsi ime nesiko yorgongo ruagusi bemuno muligire boiga sogochorako yatengera na boigori tobwatera nera kuro sumun boimanyererio igakorokwa Joshua Auta ayu amonenda mange tigayakero musumari gabo chikoraga isato ingena semese igena ndenyale ko sansamuranira ase libwa literane nkurukwa Vincent Onyancha.
Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi. Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi nigo bono yakonikirudekerene nagokorera chibiche chinkia naboigo chinkeno nukukigima nabogotonyora